guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the first cash stuffing of September, and I have told you guys several times before I love fall, but I still love my pink, so I'm just going to incorporate some of my fall decor into my videos. But as usual, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed. I want to say hi to all of my returning subscribers as well as all of my new subscribers. But I want to go ahead and jump right into today's video because I feel like I've got a lot to do and I'm just all over the place. The last 2 weeks have been really hectic. I did go over budget in my dining out category and I believe in my spending category, so you won't be seeing any rollover in those envelopes. So I'm going to go ahead and hop right in. Today we'll be stuffing $531 and I'm going to be referencing my breakdown here. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring my laminated one with me to work, so this is what I'm working with today and I'll be referencing this off to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to start out with my groceries envelope, and I do have rollover in here. A lot of rollover because it's been so hectic that I haven't gone grocery shopping, I believe last weekend when I was supposed to. So I'm going to take this money out because I believe this is all from last month, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my rollover envelope. So we're taking out 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That is insane that I even have that much in here, but we're going to put this off to the side. And I always put 120 into groceries. So we're going to do 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20. That was perfect. So that's groceries all done. Next, we're going to do dining out. And like I told you guys, dining out was just such a problem for me, so I have nothing left. I'm upping it to $80 and I'm going to see how I do with that budget. So that's going to be 3 20s, so 20, 40, 60, a 10, a 5, and 5 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's double count. So that's 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Perfect. So $80 going into dining out. All right, next we're going to do spending, and I actually did spend my allowance this time. We're going to be putting $50 in here, and that's going to be 20, a 10, no, 2 10s, 40, and 2 5s. So 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. So that's $50 into spending, and hopefully I do not spend all of it in the next 2 weeks. If you're new here, I stuff my envelopes twice a month, so these amounts that I'm stuffing need to last me for 2 weeks. Moving on to household, this is one that I always roll over. Household is getting $10, so it now has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. I did have to get a couple things for the house, and I still need to pick up some more like toiletry items, so this will come in handy. And next up is car. This one's empty because I did finally get my car washed a few weeks ago, and it's due for another one, so I'm going to be adding a 10 in here, and that's all that it has. And that is pretty much it for all of my cash envelopes here, so these will just go back into my wallet. And I'm going to go ahead and move on to my sinking funds. So I'm going to start out with this clear binder here, and I'm going to move my rose gold one off to the side for a second. All right, so we're going to start out with wish list, and today wish list is getting $50, which is a big amount, I know, but my birthday month is October, so I'm trying to bulk up my wish list envelope. That way I can maybe treat myself to something nice. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420. So 420 in wish list. Next, we've got adventures, and adventures is getting $26. I think I did that because I ended at a weird amount last time that I stuffed this envelope. So 20, 5, and 6. So Adventures now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 121, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 125 in Adventures. And I'm still planning that aquarium trip. We haven't gotten around to it. Next is travel, and travel's only getting $5 this week. It's kind of taken the back burner for me because I don't really have any trips planned, and I'm a little paranoid to go anywhere right now, so $5 it is. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 425, and 430 in travel. I thought I'd maybe want to travel somewhere for my birthday, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. So I'll probably just find something local to do. All right, on to my favorite envelope. You guys already know I love Christmas. So today we're gonna be giving Christmas 85. That's 50, 70, 80, and 5. All right, so Christmas now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 920, 940, 950, 960, 965. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it, you guys. My goal for this envelope was 1,000 by September. So it looks like I'll be funding this by the end of September, but I'm still gonna keep stuffing, and I'm honestly just so excited and so blown away. I've never saved for Christmas before, so it's gonna feel so nice to be able to get everybody a gift and not have to worry about how I'm gonna pay my credit card off in January. So I'm really, really proud of this envelope. Nothing's going to savings, and subscriptions is actually gonna get pulled because my Amazon Prime did hit the account, so I do need to pay for that by the end of the month. And that is it for this binder. Okay, so moving on to my rose gold binder. And we're gonna start off with clothing. So clothing is getting $5 today. So clothing now has 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, and 72. I'm thinking about saving up to get a pair of Rothy's. If any of you have any and can let me know if they're like worth the price tag, please let me know. They're very expensive flats, but they're made from like really sustainable materials. So I was thinking about saving money in my clothing envelope to invest in them, but I keep seeing like mixed reviews, so I'm trying to figure out if they're worth that hefty price tag. Next, we've got holidays, and holidays is getting 35 today. It's 20, 30, and 5. So holidays now has 100, 120, 140, 150, 155. And this has been slowly adding up for me, so I'm really excited. I love doing all the fall and Christmas things, so I cannot wait. Next, we've got home, and home is only getting $5. It's better than nothing, so we have 105 in home. Next, we've got beauty, and beauty is also getting 5. I'm hoping to maybe like get a haircut or just do something nice for myself. That way I can, sorry guys, beauty is actually getting 10. So beauty now has 100, 120, 130, 135, 136, and 137. So 137 in beauty. All right, next we've got gifts, and gifts is getting 40, and that should be the last of my cash here. Yes, so 40 is what's left. So we now have 50, 70, 90, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. So 114 in gifts. And like I said before, I still have my boyfriend's birthday coming up and my sister's birthday coming up in November and December. So that's what I'm saving for. Spending isn't getting anything since I didn't have any rollover from my spending envelope. And then the grocery money that I had, is going to go into this rollover envelope. So I'm going to add it here. Okay, so rollover now has 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217. So 217 in rollover. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these funds. I think at the end of the year, I'm going to go ahead and just move it into my emergency fund. So we'll go ahead and see about that. That was it for my cash stuffing this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any fun plans coming up. I'm planning to see my best friend for brunch this weekend, so I'm really excited about that. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.